Here we are. My bad, my bad. Just trying to set things up. I'm probably bearish. Yeah, I'm probably bearish for a little bit. I kind of want to see news candle get swept. I'm not too sure. Like, if we keep selling off right here, I might be bearish, but honestly, it looks not bad for longs as well. Just because we swept London. Try to aim for these highs, but I'm just kind of like watching it right now. Yeah, there you go. Let me see what happens. Yeah, was it 10 a.m.? 10 a.m., yeah. How was your day though? We do anything exciting for Friday? Come on, slam down. A good day when doctors and training later day. Okay. A lot of momentum back up. Camera keeps freezing, bro. Would you take a trade, Womb, if we do something like this, right? Breaker block. I feel like I'm understanding breaker blocks just like hearing you talk about it, bro. Like something like that. Get a fair value gap over there too, right? Overlap. Oh, it has to have swing points. Oh, I see, okay. Okay, I like how we opened up a fair value gap at least right here. Okay, so we got one at least right here almost. Let's see if it holds. If we inverse this, I might take just a long and see what happens. Yo, what up, TB? Two scenarios right now is my what is it? Is this? We push back above, that'd be nice for a long. Let me just test this out. Do I have okay, so you guys can see it at least. Okay. Still nothing. Oh yeah, bro. I saw that. I saw that, bro. It's because I copy traded, so I can't do that yet. Because if you do it on TradingView, it'll be only one account per. You can't copy trade them. And then the TradingView executions are so much slower. I just rather do it on Trade8. It's too delayed, bro. It's the Tradeify ones. Tradeify, make sure you use code Monk at checkout. That's Monk with 2 Ks. Yeah, you know, use my link, support the what counts? Yeah, that's just what I'm trading right now. Damn, bro. Let's see if we get an entry. At this point, I think I'm bearish, right? Just because we're pushing so much lower. We're probably aiming for this hourly swing low. I think after that we might be able to reverse, but we'll see. Can't get an entry, bro. I'm using, what is it? A Blue Yeti? Or is it a Yeti? I'm not even too sure. I randomly got it from my cousin. I'm like using a different software there where it makes it sound better though, so. Used in about 13 minutes, so I think news will just kind of propel us lower. Do you switch your bias yet, Woom, or are you still bullish? Kind of checking it out right now. Let's see. Yeah, 15-minute opened up bullish kind of, and then it's kind of flipping bearish now. That's true. For me, I just need to draw on liquidity. I don't need a liquidity sweep. My liquidity is gonna be this 1 hour swing low, and so until that's taken, I'd be okay with shorts, and then from there, I'd be okay with longs. I don't know where I should put this, bro. Let's put it top. With fair value, I might be the W fair. I got a feeling we going 400. Hey, 400. We might. We're looking pretty bearish, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, 1,000 points? I didn't even realize. Wait, what? This from yesterday? Yeah. That's crazy, bro. At least we getting some movement in the market now. It's been so bad recently. Alright. So if we get a tap and then a strong close out of it, I might take that. Finally away from all-time highs, yeah. I want to see a tap and a strong close below. There we go. So there's the tap. I'm not in yet, but if we could kind of close below strong, then I'll take that. Okay, I don't like it anymore. Never mind. Scratch that. If we inverse this though, so if this becomes an inversion, I would like that a lot. I don't want us to dump yet. Not yet. Just this candle needs to chill out for a little bit, bro. Fuck. I don't want us to push yet. God damn it. Oh, there goes the entry. I guess there's a 3-minute tap right there as well. 5-minute tap? No. I would much rather prefer a 5-minute tap. There's gonna be something on the 30-minute. 30 seconds. I kind of want to take this off of the 5-minute flip, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but I'll just see. Have my stop like above 909. I need to switch to M and Q. Yeah, wait till afternoons, yeah. Yeah, I'm going downsize, bro. Today is too volatile. Oof. Yeah, I like futures a lot more than forex because forex you gotta worry about like 20 different pairs, and or when you trade futures, you like first of all the prop firms are so much better because um the price is a lot lower. I know one account on like forex is like 500 bucks or whatever it used to be, like 400. It was some ridiculous price, bro. Futures, it's a lot lower, so you can get started a lot easier. Plus, you only have to worry about like NQ. Really, most people really only just trade NQ. Sometimes ES, but and then I don't know. For me, I'm a pretty stubborn person. When I first started learning ICT, it was what is it? ICT was like teaching on like NQ, right? And I was like, I don't need, I started off with forex. Forex is the best thing ever. I don't need to learn futures. I don't know what NQ is. I don't care about it. And then same with T trades. I watch T trades whenever I watch ICT, right, to like help me understand like what an order block was or stuff like that, right? And he would be using NQ. I'm like, this guy trades futures too, bro. I'm like, why aren't there any forex people that teach ICT that well, or like that just use like forex pairs and stuff? I get it now, bro. Who the hell would use like Euro USD to teach ICT? I mean, you can do it. It's just NQ is just, it's a lot easier, so you don't have to worry about it. Can you tell me how I can watch NQ without any delay on TradingView? Yeah, I think you just have to do the membership thing. You have to pay for a TradingView subscription. I think that's the only way, maybe. Like do you use TradingView? TradingView. If you got the TradingView subscription, then you're good. Make sure you use my link in the description. Then you get $15 off or something. But mostly the broker's chart. Wait, what do you mean? SMT. Very small SMT. All right, 1 minute and 30 seconds till news drops. So let's see what happens. I think news is just gonna slam us down. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't want to slap a short before news, bro. I'm not gonna lie. All right, 1 minute. Let's see what happens. Probably just gonna slam down, bros. If I'm gonna slap a short on paper. Do not take this, by the way. I'm taking it on paper. You guys can see my TradingView execution. This is not a trade. I want the feeling of gambling. All right. I'm a gamble on. Do not take this. Do not take this. This is a terrible idea. Do not take. Can I do it? There you go. This is paper. I just want to see what happens, bro. Oh, shit. Do not take. This is paper. Paper. All right, let's see what happens. Gambling news, bro. Let's see what happens. Come on. Come on. Slam down. I'm going break even. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Paper trade win. Paper trade win. Paper trade. Wait. See, this is why I don't trade TradingView, bro. It's like delayed. You see it? I don't like. It's like I don't trade TradingView. God damn it, bro. I should have just sold on my fucking account, bro. Oh my god. No. Dude, you see how delayed this is, bro? Bro, that's so stupid. We made all the losses back actually kinda yesterday. No, not really. Nah, we still down. Paper, my paper account. Alright. So this point, what I'm looking at is, can we still be pushing lower? Yeah, we can. Okay. Next level I'm looking at is 779. 779 I'm looking at, and then after that probably a 728 or 728. Yeah, those are my next two levels. So if we do not reverse right now and we keep selling off, that's what I'm looking at. Damn, that S&T held too, bro. So retrace into here would be interesting. I want to see this. This is a good bias building fair value gap, because if we inverse, I'll probably look for longs until these highs and then see what happens. If not, retrace. I don't know if I would take the retrace into here though, but we'll just see. $300-point drop since market open. That's so good. That's nice. Finally some movement in the markets, bro. Jeez. Getting a bad feeling? For what? Don't say that, bro. Don't say that now. Are we pushing? Might go lower. I don't know why. Maybe the gambler inside me saying. Yeah, no, we definitely have room for lower. So, just kind of eyeing it, I guess. But I might give this a small stab. I might go even lower size here and just give it a small stab, like go 3 micros or something and then see. But that's if we close above. If we close below here, so now this is like a nice short for me and my, like this would be a nice short right here to go lower. So if we close below, that'd be nice too. But it's kind of just whatever happens first. Because if we get a lot of momentum through here, I could probably try ride it till here. Okay, I might give this a stab long right here and then try to go break even right here. Let's see what happens. I'm not in yet. Hold up. I'll get a stab. I go like half right here. Try to hold. Alright, let's see what happens. Also, I could totally see us selling off as well. And then if we close below here, go even lower, but we'll see. Kind of like a micro trader here. Okay, well, we just way down. Might get stopped. If I get stopped and we close below, I might reverse my position. We'll see. But I like both sides right now, but kind of just see. Oh, I should add P now. Let me see. How do I do that? How do I add P&L? Oh, wait, hold up. Got it. Wait, how do I do that? Oh, that one? Yeah. Hold up. I gotta add like 20 different things, bro. Hold up. Where is it? Oh, there we go. I found it. Come on, TP one hit. Come on. Come on. Okay, TP one hit. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Getting ready to scale. Scale some more at, was it 924? Stops break even though. Don't have to worry about the trade anymore. Stops break even. Whatever happens, happens, bro. Next TP is at 924. So a little bit below. Like 924 is right here in my next TP. Fucking go, bro. I don't know if I don't know if you guys could see this screen, like the screen right here. That well. I don't know. Just Tradeify. I'm on Tradeify right now. I got a payout with MyFundedFutures, and I'm scaling on was it Tradeify right now? I have 3 accounts, but I only activated 2. So I'm keeping one as reserve just in case. Is it funded with your yeah, I'm funded right now. Here, let me see if I can show you the P&L. My TP2 hit. Let's go. Let's go. All right, stop, still break even. Let's fucking go. Who took this with me? I don't know if y'all took this with me, but hopefully you didn't, because you shouldn't be taking the same trades as me, but like if you did, congrats. Hold up. So it's break even or we hit TP. Oh, I almost forgot, I left that fill open. I'm up 300 right now, but I don't know how to show you. And I guess I could do this. Hold up. Here, let me do this. There you go. I just don't like this because like it takes too much of the screen, you know. Can you see it, Woom? I don't know how zoomed in it is, bro. I'm like using half, like OBS is like on half of my screen right here, and then the other half is like trading, or sorry, Tradeovate. So I don't know if you could see it. Oh, do the other one? Okay, hold up. Okay, I wish there was a way to cut this, bro. Like, nah, dude, this... My bad, guys. Like, I don't know how I'm supposed to be doing this. I suck at OBS. Okay, let me try this instead. Hold up. Wait, hold up. Okay, so... I apologize, guys. Give me a second. Okay, there you go. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. Do I close though? What y'all think? I might just close. It's not like I'm scared that we sell off. It's just kind of take my money or what? Or I just let it ride. I guess it's just one micro. I'll leave it up to y'all. Oh shit, never mind. Maybe I just let it cook, bro. Let it cook? Break even and forget? Shit, bro. Shit. Okay, let it run, have it break even. Yes, sir. Des Trades, welcome. Okay, I got a question. So break even, or do I trail in profits, or what? What y'all think? Like, do I trail right here, maybe? Go like this. Right here. They'll stop loss a bit higher if you want. I think so. Like right here. Bit profit. Like I said, my ultimate TP is around 970 right now. Or do I go even higher? Just at 970 right now. This trade was kind of weird because you inverse it right here, right? But like, I don't like the next candle open where we just kind of reject down. I like how we kind of hold the CE, but ideally you kind of get this push right here, right immediately after we get the close above. Yeah, because if we go higher, we still get big moves. It's just I don't know how I should be doing the trade. I'll figure it out next time. I don't know how I should be doing this. I wish I had like 3 monitors or something so it'd be easier, but whatever. 15-minute fair value gap. Be careful that. I would expect us to like minimum before we go bearish hit CE, like somewhere before CE. So like maybe within this like order block right here. I think we have a little bit room to go, but we'll see. I did not, Azim. I couldn't find an entry over here at all. I was talking with Woom. I was like, yo, should I just short at market open? I was like, I couldn't, so I didn't get an entry. Did you get a short? Find a short? After the CISD, was it what time frame was that at? Or sorry, not what time. What time? At what time was it at? 9:32? Did you get a 9:32? Oh, 9:30 a.m. Okay, I see. So the CISD is right here. Okay, nice trade, brother. Good trade. All right, we about to hit TP. On. I won't do the trading, was it the trade evade executions all the time, but you know, every once in a while I guess I'll do it. I'm gonna just take it right there. Not too worried about taking the full TP. Now I gotta go now. See you next week. All right, thank you for tuning in, Woom. My bad. I was trying to set it up earlier. I'll try to get on like a couple minutes before market open, but I was trying to figure out the trade evade stuff today, so I didn't know how I was gonna do it. But thank you for tuning in. So I saw the news. It said 10 a.m. news that they took the trade before 10:30. Or sorry, that's way took the trade before 10 a.m. and the 400 really was favoring. Yeah. Okay, so a lot of downside potential you saw. Okay. Okay, you see how I kind of like just took my money and then kind of left? If it gets close to my TP, bro, I'm not too worried about a couple points. I'd rather just take the money and then just dip, bro. I'm not too worried about that. But GG's, bro. Nice trade. And that's pretty much it for me as well. Not going to the day, for the day. What do I expect probably the rest of the day? I could totally see us pushing back up, right? Kind of inversing this move because we kind of swept this hourly low, but at the same time we kind of still have all these hourly lows that I'm be a little bit skeptical of, right? Because the 4 hour, first of all, you got these like extra lows right here. I don't know if we swept it right here actually. Yo, bro, one doubt. Yes, sir. Okay, so we did sweep that, but we still have this like swing low right here and like this 4 hour fair value gap fill, right? Is the first IFEG good to take? The one that I took right here, or what? This one? I would say so, but for me, it's more of if the trade is there, just take it and execute it, and just whatever happens, right? You shouldn't be. I mean, you don't want to bring emotions into the trade, right? Like, I know there's downside potential because like I was kind of like iffy on whether I should take this inversion or not, just because there's still like targets to the downside, but it was a major swing low, right? It is a major swing low somewhat. It's like a 4 hour or a 4 hour like swing low, right? And it made sense, and then you get a lot of momentum if we inverse this, Azim, right? Azim, if we inverse this with like small like hesitation candles, right? I wouldn't take it, but like we kind of blast through right here, right? So right here we blast through with the strong candle. I really liked it, but then the next candle opened up. I don't like this right here, right? I don't like that candle, right? Because once you get this candle right here, I want to see us like kind of take off and not look back, right? Like this candle is like a nice strong candle, and you would probably kind of expect us to continue pushing, right? But you kind of hesitate a little bit. Eventually you do take off, but it just took a little bit, which is fine. But I would say it's fine. But it wasn't a clean one, right? Because we kind of just sold off a bunch. That's another thing. We kind of sold off a bunch, so I was expecting some sort of like retrace soon. So this inversion made a little bit more sense, but I don't know. Yeah. You wait for an SMT? I mean, there's nothing wrong waiting for an SMT as well. But it's just sometimes the inversion will happen before an SMT will like unless you're waiting for like an SMT like over here, that makes sense. Because there's an SMT over here a little bit though. Like I was thinking about taking it right here, but there was no entry over here. So you see SMT right here, right? You see the swing high? SMT, right? SMT. So I was thinking, I was literally, this was right before the 10 a.m. news candle. I was thinking of just entering short right here. And then I was like, nah. I took it on paper though. So you saw, if you rewind the video a little bit, you'll see I took it on paper. Yep. Hey, you got it, bro. You understand it. Probability always wins, right? Just take the mechanical setup. At the same time, I feel like being too mechanical, you have to be flexible in the markets, right? Like it's not bad being mechanical, right? But you could also use your experience as a trader, right? That all the losses that you've taken up until this point, right? Because there are certainly losses that you've had, right? Where it could have been prevented, and you could you know, use that experience. I'm not saying, I think using your experience as a trader and being emotional is different, right? So we'll just have to see. Yeah, instincts kind of. So if your instincts are just telling you take it, then just take the trade. But before you take the trade though, right, just accept the loss, right? Accept that you're in this trade, and you know, whatever happens. If you took a loss, you understand why you took a loss, the stuff like that, right? So you know, I'm still trying to learn that as well. I'm reading Trading in the Zone right now by Mark Douglas, so we'll see how that helps me. But yeah, good trade so far. That's pretty much it though. So I'm gonna end the stream right here. Up about 380. Not bad. And yeah, it was a bit volatile today, so I had to downsize. It would have been nice if I could have gone full contract, but I just went half a contract. Still got a lot of money from it. So here, let's see. Monday, that's still a little bit iffy. I might, because I'm gonna be working Monday. We'll see. I'll put a maybe on it. I'll put an asterisk on it. I'll say maybe. But yeah, sales. That's not bad. You see, I enter right here, bro. Look at. I enter right here and then immediately get drawdown, which kind of sucked. And my stop loss was literally right here. So my stop loss was right here. We got pretty close. How many? About 12 points away. Yeah. But eventually reversing kind of just took off. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the stream. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you next week, Wednesday. If not, and I could change my stuff around, probably Tuesday at the earliest. Monday if I'm like actually kind of crazy. We'll see. But thank you for tuning in. I put stop loss on BPR. Okay. Usually put the stop loss in the BPR. Okay. No, that was a good BPR. Except I don't see a BPR right here. Unless maybe you're talking about like way down here. This is like the smallest BPR ever though. That would be your BPR. But yeah. I will see you guys later. Thank you for tuning in and peace.